Hi, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at an all-new 2019 Sea Ray 19 SPX. Comes on a single axle trailer. As you can see, this boat is a full blue hull side, which looks very nice. On the back here we have sea deck, which is great on the feet for kids to jump in and off. We have a 4-step ladder as opposed to a 3-step ladder. It's nice and easy to get on, a lot less force. All stainless steel appliances and charging port here on the back. And through here is our walk-through, so you never have to step foot on the upholstery. Walking through the walkway. The flooring is infinity woven flooring. It's snap in and out. It's quick and easy. It comes in multiple pieces. Here in the bow we have an upgraded Fusion stereo system with 2 bow speakers. This boat also comes with a nice subwoofer. The seat here, this cushion actually gets stored underneath this seat, so you can have your feet put down if you want, or if you want to create another seat or a lounger, you put it out like it currently is. Here at the helm we have a Fusion audio player, nice tacks, hour meter, depth finder, and all. These pieces here are really nice at night, so when you're looking through the windshield here, you can see easily and you don't have as much of a glare. Here at the helm also, there's a swivel chair with flip-up bolster, so you can see over the windshield. We have charging ports, cup holders, as well as others around the boat. Here in the back, we have a nice bench seat. Underneath here is a fully insulated cooler with a drain. Makes it great for long day adventures. This boat's powered by a 200 horsepower Mercury engine, which is more than enough power. And if you question that, I challenge you to stop out for a test drive so we can show it to you today. Again, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. We have this boat and many more like it here in our Rogers facility. Stop out and take a look at this today.